When you own stock, you technically own a piece of the company, but how do you vote on company decisions without showing up in person? The answer is a proxy. It is the legal permission you give to someone else to cast your vote on your behalf. Most retail investors never visit a physical meeting room, so proxy voting is the primary way they participate in corporate governance. Through these ballots, you get a say on major issues like who leads the company, how much executives are paid, and overall company policies. While in-person meetings allow for direct questions, proxy voting is the standard, efficient way for millions of shareholders to voice their preference. Institutional investors often have high participation, but individual investor turnout is historically lower. Every vote still counts toward the quorum. Remember, as a shareholder, you are a part owner. Using your proxy is the best way to ensure management stays aligned with your long-term goals. Keep an eye on your email for proxy materials from your brokerage. Subscribe for more money basics and keep building your knowledge.